What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Today is an awesome day. An awesome day. I want to start off by saying thank you, like a huge thank you to everyone who's decided to subscribe to my channel. I believe the last time I made a vending channel video. I don't know why I'm stumbling. I feel like I haven't done a video in so long. I was only about 20, 25 or maybe 30 subscribers, and now I'm at over 100 subscribers. Okay, I know that doesn't seem like a lot to a lot of you guys, but it means a lot to me. Okay, I just remember starting the channel, having what, 2, 3 subscribers, my mom and my brother and my wife, and it's having posted the videos and seeing the channel grow and everything. It really means a lot. I really do appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate, especially the big guys, the bigger vending machine channels and the bigger entrepreneur channels. You guys know who you are. I really appreciate you guys, and I really appreciate the work that you guys put out. It really motivates me and the other little guys to keep on striving to do better and everything. So with that said, today I'm actually at the post office right now. Well, in the parking lot of the post office. And I got about maybe 30 packages. Excuse me, 30 packages that I'm still doing for my eBay side hustle, which actually helped start this whole entire channel. I actually have an update. I'm going to do an update to how much we've actually made with that. We've actually made a pretty large sum of capital, because that was the whole point. I didn't have much to start off this channel. Like I didn't have any money for vending machines, so that was the whole reason I started the whole eBay thing, to have that, and also pay off some other bills that were kind of dragging me behind, not giving me that financial confidence to move and strive forward. So it's actually taken off pretty well, and I'll give you guys an update with a video later on showing you how well, and a reminder not a reminder, but showing the new people what it is that I was actually selling. I'm selling, and I'm actually going to think of buying more of that stuff off of other people later on, to sell later on, if you know what I mean. So stay tuned for that video, the eBay video. But yes, today is a special day because I'm going to go check out a vending machine at a location. It is a drink machine. I believe it's a Pepsi machine. I think it's a Pepsi machine, and or a Coke machine. I can't remember. It's a soda machine that has about 8 selections and stuff like that. But it's missing a couple pictures. So obviously, with my luck, you know, the first couple machines that I bought, they need some work. They still need some work. That's also in the process. So I'm gonna drop off these packages, go to the ATM to withdraw the money that I need in case everything goes well. So crossing my fingers, and let me go drop off these packages, get that money, and then I'll stop by the location, talk to the gentleman, and we'll wrap things up over there. So stay tuned, and we'll check out this machine. All right, guys, we're actually here at the plaza where the vending machine is located. It's inside of a barbershop / nail salon. So kind of got some ideas with what I can possibly do in the future, as far as maybe adding a machine or something else on there, as far as snacks or something like that. So I'm liking it. The gentleman, I actually don't know his name. He didn't give me his name. It was kind of like a barbershop name on OfferUp. So I'm gonna go in there, just gonna stand next to the machine. I'm like, hey, I'm here to check this thing out. Saw it on OfferUp and see if that guy shows up. I'm thinking he's probably the boss or manager or something like that. So also, I get another thing I wanted to mention. So this vending machine, and possibly the next, if I find anything, luckily maybe, is actually being funded by the eBay money that I've been making. This has not been any, I haven't taken out any loans. I haven't got a secret job anywhere that's been paying me extra. This is strictly from the eBay funds, excuse me, that I've been making, selling my Magic the Gathering card collectibles and other things. My Zelda stuff that I had, my Mario stuff, I've been selling a bunch of those. So that's actually been helping out and I really appreciate the opportunity with eBay. I just never knew how helpful that would be. So again, I'm gonna go check this guy out, check this machine out with this guy wherever he's at. I think he actually works there. He said he's there from 7:30 to 9 or 9 to 7:30. So I'm thinking he's actually a barber. So I'm sure when I walk in and I'm pointing at the vending machine, he'll be like, "Oh, that's the guy." So I'm gonna go in there. Obviously, I'm gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna ask for, see if there's if I have permission to record, to check out the machine, check out the goods and everything. So stay tuned for that, and best of luck to see if this machine's actually worth the money, and I'll let you guys know afterwards. All right, guys, you can probably tell from my expression that the whole ordeal did not go too great. Basically, the information that was given on the OfferUp webpage, the ad, was mostly correct, but there was some additional stuff that was wrong with the machine that was not, told in the ad, which is kind of crappy. And basically, there's a couple sensors that need to be swapped out, and that was not what was told in the ad. It was like, hey, some of the lanes just need to be filled and activated. It's an easy thing. Just put some stuff in there. I'm like, I'm still new to the whole thing, so I'm like, oh, that doesn't sound too bad, And then I go there. I'll give you a picture of the machine in this little space right here, and so you guys can see what I'm talking about. At least what it looks like. I didn't take pictures or record in there. It was just kind of a quick, hey, no thanks thing. So, but basically, I didn't want to take the offer because I already have the other location that's more functionable. It's doing its thing, but it requires some things. I need to change the light bulbs. I need to fix one of the lanes. It's not working out of the 8 or 10 lanes. So that one has its own issues, and I'm like, let me not buy another project. So it is disappointing, but it's enlightening to a point, to a degree where like, hey, this is something that you need to watch out for. Don't get your hopes up that every time you see a location for sale that it's true, legit, and everything. Always check to see if there's any issues. Okay, don't just like think of cash and success and just like, I'm gonna buy it, and then you end up regretting it. So I'm disappointed, but I got to move on. There's some other opportunities, some other ads that I saw that I'm gonna follow up on, see what's going on. So yeah, let me know how you guys are doing as far as your vending machine purchases and everything. What you're trying to do. Let me know in the discussions below if you have any issues or you're actually doing really awesome. I'd love to hear what's going on with you guys. But hey, the entrepreneurial dad out here is trying to make it. And so yeah, that's the update for today. The only upset is that I wanted to have a new machine to talk about and show and brag, but hey, again, it doesn't always happen. So hey, stay tuned for the next Entrepreneurial Dad episode. There might be some new surprises coming up. Excuse me. So hey, again, if you like what I'm doing, smash that like button. If you definitely like what I'm doing, smash that subscribe button. If you love the channel and everything, any questions, comments, concerns, please, you can send me an email at theentrepreneurialdad@gmail.com or say something in the comments below. As far as the equipment that I'm using, this camera, this mic, this little camera stand that I'm using, the lens and everything, I have all the, and my computer, all that stuff. If you're interested in doing YouTube and stuff like that, or live streaming video games on Twitch or anything, I have all the equipment that I personally use and suggest in the description below. So do check them out. It's also, if you do buy anything from there, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but you actually end up supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. So I greatly appreciate you guys. Just check it out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.